What is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r into a power r. NCR a power n minus r into b power r. What is general term? TR plus 1 is equal to first term power difference of these two into second term power r. The first term a is equal to x, b is equal to 3, second term. 18c6 you can expand if you want. 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 divided by 6 terms divided by 6 into. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the chapter binomial theorem, problems of binomial theorem. So now before we go to the chapter problems of exercise 8.2, basic. So general term or I can also call it as nth term or nth term in the expansion, nth term. So we say TR plus 1. TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r, means first term power n minus r into a power r. So I say like this, in the expansion x plus a power n. Suppose first term I call it as x, second term I call it as a power, I call it as n. So then general term is this. Dear students, now onwards every problem we solve by this. Or in spite of x plus a, you can take a plus b, no problem. First term plus second term. So what is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Please memorize this. See TR, see if I want t fifth term, if I want t5, then I write it as t4 plus 1. t4 plus 1 is equal to like that, NC4, r will become 4. First term power n minus r, first term power difference of this, second term power r. Please memorize, this is the general term of any expansion. Or if you are not comfortable, you can also say or otherwise in the expansion we can also say a plus b. In the expansion a plus b power n. So in the expansion a plus b power n, TR plus 1th term. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR first term a power difference of these two, n minus r into b power r. What is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is NCR a power n minus r b power r. We call this as general term. If I want t fifth term, r will take 4 and will substitute it here. And n means overall power, a means first term, b means second term. First term power difference of these two, second term power this. So this is the basic required to solve the problems. Now we'll go ahead with the problems. So please make a note of it and become thorough with that. Then you can understand the problems. What is the general term? TR plus 1 is NCR first term power n minus r into second term power r. TR plus 1, if it is a plus b power n, then NCR a power n minus r b power r. Please become thorough with this. Then the problems become simpler and easier. Now x power 5 in x plus 3, they want coefficient of x power 5, they want coefficient of what? X power 5 in what? In, they want the coefficient of x power 5 in x plus 3 power 8. Dear students, here we will take the first term a is equal to x, b is equal to 3, second term, n is equal to overall power is 8. Now we will use the formula for general term. What is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR a power n minus r into b power r. So I wrote general term formula and now I'll substitute. So I want coefficient of x power 5. First we don't know TR plus 1, n means overall power. What is overall power? 8. C, r we don't know, we need to calculate. A means first term is x power 8 minus r into b means second term 3 power r. So this is TR plus 1. Call it as equation 1. Now they want coefficient of what? X power 5. So that's why the x power equated to 5. So equate equate power of x to 5. What is the power of x? 8 minus r. Equate it to 5. So minus r you transfer that side, it will become plus r. 5 you bring this side, it will become minus 5. So this is 3. 3 is r, therefore r is what? 3. R value is exactly 3. So do they want r? No. They want coefficient. Till this part I hope all of you understood. Now we need to find r. So we got r value. If you refer, r value is 3. R value we got 3. Now go to the equation 1. Equation 1 is what? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR, that was 8CR if you refer the problem. A x power 8 minus r into 3 power r. So in the place of r put 3, then it will become T3 plus 1 is equal to 8C4, 8CR, r is what? 3, 8C3, x power 8 minus 3, 3 power 3. So now I will club 8C3 I will take separately, and this 3 cube I will take separately, and x power 5. This is T4. So now dear students, they want coefficient of x power 5. We got x power 5. With x power 5 what we have? This is the coefficient. So therefore we will write the final answer. Therefore coefficient of x power 5 is, what is present along with x power 5? What is the coefficient? 8C3, 3 power 3. 3 power 3 I arrange it like this. This is product of 3 terms. You know, product can be rearranged. So I will take 3 power 3, I will put it here. Now with x power 5, the coefficient of x power 5 is this whole thing. That is 8C3 into 3 cube. This is the answer. 8C3 all of you know, 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 terms from 8, 8, 7, 6, denominator 3 factorial, 3 to 1 into 3 cube. 3 cube means can I write it as 3 into 3 into 3. So now 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. So now you can multiply 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 into 8 into 7 we have. You can further multiply 56. Now you multiply 27 into 56. You can use calculators. 7 6 are, you can directly use calculator and multiply and write the number. Say PUC students can use calculator. CBSE children, they have to multiply and write it. So the coefficient is 1512. 1512. 7 6 are 42 4, 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 4 39, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 5 is 10 plus 1 11, add it, you will get it. So therefore what is the coefficient? Final answer is coefficient of x power 5 is 1512. Dear students, you can leave the answer at this point, 8C3 3 power 3. I hope all of you got this. Next, find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7. They want coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 in a minus 2b power 12. So now a minus 2b power 12. In this a means the first term, in the place of a you have a. B means second term, in the place of b we have minus 2b. N means the power is 12, and they want coefficient of a power 5 b power 7. This is the question. Now coming to the point, first we'll write general term formula. I taught you general term formula. All of you know what is general term formula. What is general term formula? So TR plus 1 is equal to NCR, first term power difference of these two, N minus R, second term power R. So now NCR, what is N? Overall power 12, CR, R we don't know, A means the first term is A itself, so 12 minus R, b. What is b? Second term. Second term here is minus 2b. Second term is minus 2b power r. So now call this as equation. Okay, further you can simplify this. Minus 2 also I can simplify. Take r inside, minus 2 power r, b power r, and see now I'll group 12cr and minus 2 power r I'll separate, and a power 12 minus r and b power r I'll separate. I'll call it as equation 1. So if you observe, I have taken the other things out and these two. Now I want coefficient a power 5. A power 5 I want. So power of a. So equate 12 minus r to what? 5. So rearrange 12, bring 5 to this side, it will become minus 5 is equal to r. So r will get 7 in this case. Second case also should get same. B power r. See here b power is 7. Equating, see here equating power of a. Equate power of a to we need 5. So here equate power of b. Equate power of b to what? The b power. What is the b power? 7. Then you will get r is equal to 7. In both the cases you should get same. Then only we can have a power 5, b power 7. So in both the cases we got r is equal to 7. Put r is equal to 7 in equation 1. So now put r is equal to 7 in equation 1. So you know what is equation 1? In equation 1 substitute this. So first I will take equation 1. What is equation 1? Tr plus 1 is equal to the first term power r, that is we have here Tr in 12cr minus 2 power r, 12cr minus 2 into minus 2 power r into a power 12 minus r, b power r. A power 12 minus r, b power r. Now in the place of r you put 7. Here definitely you will get a power 5, b power 7. So now T7 plus 1 is equal to 12C7 minus 2 power 7, and a means the first term, that is here. In this problem the first term is a. Okay, sorry, here after simplification we have this. So then we'll have a power 12 minus 7, b power 7. So now simplify this. 12c7 can also be written as 12c minus 7, 12 minus 7. NCR. See in mathematics, remember this basic. NCR can be written as NC n minus r. Later to calculate we'll use all those things. Let it be. Minus power odd number becomes minus. Minus I'll write outside, and 2 power 7 I'll write. And here a power will become 5 and b power will become 7. So I have minus 12 c7 2 power 7 a power 5 b power 7. Dear students, b power 7. Now this is the coefficient. So now they want coefficient, so we'll write the coefficient. So we expanded and we got the value, write this. So coefficient of a power 5 into b power 7 is equal to, with a power 5 b power 7, what is this? This underlined part, that is negative 12c7 into 2 power 7, or you can also say this as what? Negative 12c3 into 2 power 7. You know 12c3 is what? 12 into 3 terms, 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 power 7. 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 2 power 5 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. This is 128. Simplify this. Here 3 2s are 6, and I am dividing this is 6 multiplication, 6 1s are 6 2s. Now further whatever we have, 11 2s are 22, 22 into 128 minus 22, 210 into 128. You can use calculator or do multi. 128 into 22. 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 1s are 2. And again this is 6, 5, 2, 6, 11, 8, 2. So now overall into 220, so 0 minus, so minus 28160. So this is the answer. The coefficient, you can leave it here or you can simplify and write the end answer. And you can use calculators there. Write the general term in the expansion. They want just general term. They want what? General term. So now general term. So what is general term? First I will take it as a plus b power n and I will compare a. What is a we have? In the place of a I have x square. In the place of b I have minus y. And general term. What is the, and in the place of n, overall power n is equal to 6. Now general term, what is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR a power n minus r b power r. A power n minus r into b power r. They want general term. What is general term? TR plus 1 is equal to first term power difference of these two into second term power r. So here in this problem n is 6, c, r is what? Unknown. General term r will be as it is. A means the first term is x square power 6 minus r. B means second term is b itself, b power r. Now this is 6cr x power 6 2s are 12 minus 2r into b power r. So this is the general term. This is the value of what? TR plus 1. So TR plus 1 is 6CR x power 12 minus 2R into b power r. That's it. I hope all of you got this. They want general term. R, see, if I want fifth term, in the place of R put 4, like that. Any particular term you want, you can write. Next. Write the general term. So now x square minus y into x power 12. Here in this problem, b is what? Minus y, b is minus y. In the place of b, substitute the value of b. What is the value of b? B is what? Minus y. So minus y power r. So 6cr x power 12 minus r minus y power r is the general term. If they want sixth term, fifth term or any particular term in the heading, you can find particular term. Now x square minus y x power 12. So a means first term. What is the first term here? First term is x square. Second term, b means second term. What is the second term? This whole thing, minus xy or minus yx. In this case, then n, what is n? 12. General term. What is general term formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR a power n minus r into b power r. So what is n we have? 12. 12CR is equal to a means the first term x square power 12 minus r. B means what? Second term, y minus yx power r. So this is the answer. So I hope all of you got this. Further, if you want, you can use law of indices to simplify x term, that is 12CR x power 12 2s are 24 minus 2r minus y power r x power r. These two again you can use law of indices. So finally it will be 12CR into x power 24 minus 2r plus r, x power 24 minus 2r plus r, law of indices, a power m into a power n can be written as. So that is 12CR x power 24 minus r into y power minus y power r. This is the value. General term, they don't want particular term. Next we have, here they want find the fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y power 12. They want particular term, fourth term. So here first x minus 2y power 12 I will take. A means first term. What is the first term we have? X. B means second term. What is the second term we have? Minus 2y. And power n is 12. And they want fourth term. So they want T4. T4 I want to write it as R plus 1. So R plus 1 is 4. So what is your R? R is 1 less than this, R3. So now you can write the general term and substitute and get the value of what? T4. Now coming to this, write the general term. What is the general term? TR plus 1. What is the formula for TR plus 1? NCR A power n minus R into B power R. So now n, what is n value? So n is 12, 12CR. What is R value? Unknown. A is what? X power n minus R. So 12 minus R. And B, sorry, here R is what? 3. R value also we can substitute, right? So in the place of R, put the value of R. 12 minus 3. B, what is B? In the place of B, minus 2y. Minus 2y power 3. Now 12C3. 12C3 means 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 and x power 12 minus 3. 9 minus 2 cube y cube. So now 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now we have 2 10, 22, so 220, 11 2s are 22 into minus cube is minus, 2 cube is 8 into x power 9 y cube. So now again multiply 8 to that. So minus 220 into 8 minus 220 into 8 x power 9 y cube, x power 9 y cube. So now that will become into 8, sorry, into 8 is there. So multiply this. So 8 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 minus x power 9 y cube. This is the final answer. I hope all of you got this. So now we'll go to the problem number 6. Find the 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 by 3 root x power 18. So now A means the first term. What is the first term here? 9x. B means the second term, minus 1 by 3 root x. And n means the overall power, that is 18. Now TR plus 1. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A power n minus R B power R. And 13 term. So R plus 1 is 13. R is what? R plus 1 is 13. R plus 1 is 13. So R is what? 12. So now you do all the values, you substitute. So T12 plus 1, that will become 13. N, what is the overall power? 18. 18C. R is what? 12. A means the first term. First term is 9x. Power 18 minus 12. Into B means second term. Minus 1 by 3 root x power R means 12. So now minus power even becomes plus 1. Further we will simplify. So T13 LHS, RHS 8C, 18C12 into what was left out there? 9 power x power. 9 power separate, 9x power 18 minus 12 and minus 1 by 3 root x power R, that is 12. 18C12 is same as subtraction of these two. 18C 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. 9x power 18 minus 12 is 6. Minus power even becomes plus 1. 1 power 12 is 1. 3 power 12. Root x power 12. Further if you want, you can simplify. That is 18C6. 9 power 6. X power 6. 1 by 3 power 12 into root 12 power 6 x power half power 12. So 2 ones are, root means power half, 2 ones are 2 6. So further that will become, we can further expand this as 18 into 17 into like that, or 18C6 let it be. 9 power 6 you have into x power 6 into 1 divided by 3 power 12. 3 power 12 into x power 6. X power 6 cancels. So you are left out with 18c6, 9 power 6. Can I write the denominator 3 power 12? 3 power 12, can I write it as? So if I want to write in terms of 9, 3 can be written as root 9. So instead of 3 in maths is what? Root 9, because above I saw 9. So can I write this as root 9 power 12? So that 8c6, 9 power 6 divided by, so it will become half of it, 12 by 2. That will be 9 power 6, it will cancel. 8 power 6, 9 power 6 by 9 power 6 cancels. So answer is 18c6. 18c6 you can expand if you want. 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 divided by 6 terms divided by 6 into. Or leave it here, no problem. It is also standard answer. Hope all of you understood this. Now, we have completed standard questions of expansion. So please sit and recollect this. I'll do some more problems in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.